Hi everyone, this is P. Bhavgna from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering IARE. My roll number is 24951A0559. I'm from the class Computer Science and Engineering from Section A. Today I am here to explain my project on a report on complex engineering problem solving in object-oriented programming. Now, my project title is Java-based order placement system. Now let us dig into the project overview, which is introduction. In today's fast-paced digital marketplace, business requires efficient and reliable systems to manage their order placement process. A Java-based order placement system provides a robust, scalable, and secure solution tailored to meet the needs of modern enterprises, leveraging the power of Java, known for its platform independence and extensive library support. This system offers seamless integration with various business operations. The primary goal of the system is to simplify and automate the order lifecycle from order creation to fulfillment. Key features include real-time inventory management, user-friendly interfaces, and secure payment processing. Designed with a modular architecture, the system can be easily customized and extended to cater to diverse industry requirements, whether deployed in e-commerce, supply chain management, or retail operations. This Java-based solution ensures enhanced productivity, reduced operational costs, and improved customer satisfaction. It serves a critical tool for business aiming to streamline their workflows and maintain a cooperative edge in the market. Now let us know about the objectives. User-friendly interface, intuitive design for both customers and administrators, easy navigation to browse products, place orders, and manage transactions, real-time inventory management, tracks product availability, automatically updates the inventory after each order management, handles the entire order lifecycle, creation, confirmation, processing, and fulfillment, provides order uh, history and tracking for users, secure payment integration, uh, supports various payment methods, credit, debit cards, digital wallets, etc. Ensures security through encryption and secure payment gateways. Scalability, designed to accommodate growing business method needs, handles increased order volume efficiencies, customizable modules. Modular architecture allows integration of additional features such as discount management user roles, and reporting. Prerequisites and requirements to deploy a Java-based order placement system. Specific technical and environmental prerequisites must be met. These can be broadly categorized into technical skills, developmental system requirements, and third-party dependencies. Prerequisite skills: Java programming, proficiency in Java SE, Standard Edition, and optional Java EE, Enterprise Edition; web development, knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for creating the user interface; data management, familiarity with SQL and database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL, or MongoDB; Spring Framework, understanding of Spring Boot for building RESTful APIs and microservices, optional but recommended. Object-oriented programming, strong grasp of object-oriented principle, design patterns, and best practices; version control, experience with Git for source code management. Development tools: Integrated Development Environment (IDE), IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans; build tools, Apache, Maven, or Gradle for dependency management and product builds; database management tools, MySQL, Workbench, pgadmin, or any preferred database client; version control system, Git with platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or uh, Bitbucket for collaborative development; system requirements, client-side requirement, a modern web browser, example Chrome, Firefox, Safari for accessing the front-end application; server-side requirement, operating system, Windows, MacOS, or Linux; JDK version, Java Development Kit 11 or higher; server environment, Apache, Tomcat Jetty, or Spring Bootcamp embedded service; hardware, minimum 4 GB RAM, 8 GB recommended, minimum 20 GB for free disk space; database server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or any preferred relational, non-relational database. Software libraries and frameworks. Core Java libraries, Java Collections Framework, Stream API, etc. Frameworks, Spring Boot for backend development, Hibernate or JPA for ORM and database interaction. Front-end frameworks optional. React, Angular, or Vue.js for creating a dynamic user interface. Security libraries, Spring Security for authentication and authorization, JWT, JSO, and Web Token for secure token-based communication, API, RESTful APIs for client-service communication, payment gateways, APIs, example, PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay. Optional tools and technologies. Containerization and development. Docker for containerized development. Kubernetes for managing containerized services. Monitoring and logging. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or ELK Stack. Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. Could integration, cloud integration, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for hosting and scalability. Third party requirement, payment gateway APIs, integration with secure and trusted payment processes, SMS and email services. Use services like Twilio, SendGrid, or AWS SES for order notifications. External plugins, plugin or APIs for analytic reporting or other custom functionalities. Technology used, backend, Java, core programming language, Spring Boot for creating RESTful APIs and microservices, Hibernate JPA for database ORM, REST APIs for client-server communication. Front-end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript for core web technologies. Frameworks optional, Angular, React, or Vue.js for dynamic UI. Database, Rational, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle. NoSQL optional. MongoDB. Security, Spring Security for authentication and authorization, JWT, token-based authentication, SSL/TLS for encrypted communication. Payment and notification. Payment gateways, PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, email, SMS APIs, Twilio, SendGrid. Deployment and hosting, web services, AppChat, Tomcat, Jetty. Cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Containerization, Docker, optional Kubernetes development tools, IDLE, IntelliJ IDEA Eclipse, build tools, Maven, Gradle, version control, Git, GitHub, GitLab, monitoring and testing, JUnit, Selenium, monitoring, Prometheus, Grafana, ELK Stack. Functional components, user management, user registration and login. Allows customers and admins to create account and login securely. Role-based access control assigns roles, example, admin, customer, vendor to manage permissions. Profile management enables users to update personal information and preferences. Project catalog management, project product listing, displays available products with the details like price, description, and images. Category management organizes products into categories for easier navigation, search, and filter. Provides search functionality with the filtering options. Example, by price, category, or rating. Shopping cart and wish list. Shopping cart, temporary storage for selected product before checkout. Wish list allows user to save products for future reference. Order management, order placement facilities creating order by selecting products and proceeding to checkout. Order tracking provides real-time status updates. Example, pending, shipped, delivered. Order display displays a record of past orders for users. Payment processing, payment gateway integration supports secure transactions via PayPal, Stripe, or any other providers. Invoice generation generates and shares details invoices for completed orders. Refund and cancellation handles refunds for cancelled orders or returned items. Inventory management, stock monitoring tracks product availability and updates in real time. Threshold alerts notifies admins when stock reaches a predefined threshold. Automatic restocking, optional feature for automated supplier notification and alerts. Order confirmation sends email, SMS notification for order confirmation. Status update alerts customers about changes in order status. Example, shipped or delivered. Promotional messages, sends documents, offers, or announcements, reporting and analytics. Sales report provides insights into total sales, revenue, and performance matrices. Customer insights tracks user behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. Inventory reports monitors stock level and restocking trends. Admin dashboard. Order overview displays a summary of all ongoing and completed orders. User management allows admin to manage user accounts and roles. Product management enables adding, updating, and deleting product listing. Security features authentication and authorization uses secure mechanism. Example Spring Security, JWT. Data encryption ensures sensitive data in encrypted during storage and transit. Active logs, activity logs tracks user activities for auditing and troubleshooting. Now let us know about the project overflow. Project overflow requirement analysis gathered functional and non-functional requirements from stakeholders, identify user roles, example customer, admin, vendors, and their specific needs, define key features including product catalog, cart management, order processing, and payment integration. Output project requirement documents and feature list, system system design, architectural design. Choose a layered architecture, example MVC or microservices. Define components such as user interfaces, business logic, and database layers. Database design the database schema for storing user data, products, orders, and inventory. Workflow design map out workflows like order placement, placement processing, and other order tracking. Output system architecture diagram, database schema, and workflow diagrams. Environmental setup install development tools, example IntelliJ, IDEA, Eclipse. Set up the technology stack. Backend JavaScript, Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate. Frontend HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or frameworks like Angular, React, or Vue.js. Database MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoSQL. Configure version control with GIT and CI/CD tools for continuous integration. Output fully configured development environment. Development, backend development creates API for user management, product catalog, order processing, and payment handling. Implement business logic for workflows like cart updates, and order tracking. Front end development design user interfaces for product browsing, checkout, and order history. Integrate front end with the back end APIs. Database integration. Implement CRUD operations for database interaction. Test queries for optimal performances. Output functional application components. Testing, unit testing. Test individual components using frameworks like a JUnit or TestNG. Integration testing. Verify that APIs, front end, and database integration work as expected. System testing. Conduct end-to-end testing of workflow like order placement and payment processing. Performance testing. Test system performance under various loads. User acceptance testing. Validate the system with real users to ensure it meets their requirements. Output bug-free functional system ready for deployment. Deploy the system on a local server, cloud platform, example AWS, Google Cloud, or containerized environment, example Docker, Kubernetes. Configure security measures like SSL, TLS, firewalls, and secure payment gateways. Set up monitoring tools, example Prometheus, Grafana for performance tracking. Output live and accessible order placement system. Maintenance and updates. Monitor system performance and fix any bugs or security issues. Gather user feedback and roll out new features or improvements. Regularly update dependencies and frameworks to maintain security and compatibility. Output uh, optimize the system with regular updates and enhancement. Potential challenges and solutions. Scalability issues. Challenges. System slows down during peak traffic. Solution: use microservices, caching, Redis, and cloud scaling. Database bottlenecks. Challenge: slow queries and data access. Solution: optimize queries, add indexes, and use load balance databases. Security risks, challenge data breaches or unauthorized access. Solution, encrypt data. SSL TLS, use JWT for authentication and conduct security audits. Integration challenges, challenge issue with third party APIs, example payment gateways. Solution, use reliable APIs, implement retires and abstraction APIs integration. Performance issue, challenge system lags under heavy requests. Solution, add load balancing, uh, asynchronous processing, and optimize code. Complex workflows, challenge handling reference, order modification, etc. Solution, use design pattern and modularize code for clear workflow. Poor user experience, challenge difficult to navigate UI UX. Solution, conduct user testing and use modern front-end frameworks. Payment failures, failed transactions disrupt order processing. Solution, add retry mechanism and transactional logging. Maintenance and update, downtime during updates or bug fixes. Solution, use CI, CD, pipelines, and scheduled updates during low traffic periods. Dependency issues, challenge outdated libraries for framework. Solution, regularly update dependencies using Maven, Gradle, or monitor vulnerabilities. Now let us know about the program. In Java based in my project, we got like two three programs which are like order and main, and then order manager. Now this order one is goes like, we need to goes like this, then order manager.java, and then main java. We got three programs actually, and whole different outputs for each of them. And the main java is a kind of a big one. Yeah. The output for order Java is order placement order ID one, customer name. You'll give you'll get the customer name, product name, quality, and total price. Like you need to mention the order ID and you'll get all of this. Order manager Java, same again. Like you'll get all the things that you have given in the code. And main Java goes like place order placement system, place order, views orders, and exit, choose an option. Now order ID, for example, if it is one, the name is Alice, and product name is laptop, and the quantity is two. Total price is $3,000. So yeah, like we have I have written the code in three different ways, which are order management, and main. Now let us dig into the conclusion. The Java-based order placement system is a simple yet effective way to manage customer orders, providing a user-friendly interface for placing and viewing orders. The system is designed to allow users to place orders. Customers can either enter the details, name, product, quantity, and price, and the system calculates the total price. Each order is assigned a unique order ID for tracking. View orders. Users can view all orders placed within the system, displaying key details like the order ID, customer name, product quantity, and total price. Input validation. The system ensures that the user input are validated. If the user enters invalid data, such as non-numeric values for quantity or price, appropriate error messages are displayed and they are prompted to correct their input. Simple menu system. The product uses a simple text-based menu to guide the user through placing an order, viewing orders, or exiting the system. This makes it easy to interact with the program without any complicated user interface requirements. Extensibility. While the current implementation is relatively basic, it can be expanded to include additional features like updating orders, deleting orders, or integrating with the database for persistent storage. Error handling. The program accounts for invalid choices and inputs, ensuring a smooth user experience even in the event of mistakes. The menu is continuously displayed until the user chooses to exit.